Welcome back to Health Journey, where we explore natural ways to enhance your health and well-being. Today, we're diving into a plant that's been cherished for centuries, aloe vera. This humble plant has earned its place in homes, skincare routines, and medicine cabinets worldwide. But why is aloe vera so special? In this video, we'll uncover 10 incredible benefits of aloe vera that you might not know about. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if you love learning about natural health remedies. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Let's get started. 1. Soothes sunburns and skin irritations. Imagine this. You've spent a lovely day at the beach, but by the time you get home, your skin is red and burning. Aloe vera to the rescue. The gel from the aloe vera plant is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that soothe sunburns almost instantly. It's like nature's own cooling balm. But it doesn't stop there. Aloe vera is also effective in treating minor cuts, insect bites, and skin irritations. According to a study published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment, aloe vera significantly speeds up the healing of first and second-degree burns. Keep a bottle of pure aloe vera gel in your fridge for a quick, refreshing fix. Have you ever tried aloe vera for sunburns? Let us know your experience in the comments below. 2. Promotes hair growth and reduces dandruff. Ever wonder why your grandma's hair was always so thick and shiny? Chances are, aloe vera played a part. Aloe vera's enzymes work wonders for the scalp by removing dead skin cells that clog hair follicles. This promotes healthier hair growth and helps reduce dandruff. Aloe vera's natural moisturizing properties keep your scalp hydrated, reducing itchiness and flakiness. A 2010 study published in Phytotherapy Research found that aloe vera can alleviate seborrheic dermatitis, a condition that causes dandruff. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost hair health, aloe vera might be your secret weapon. Try adding aloe vera to your hair care routine and share your results with us. 3. Boosts the immune system. In a world where maintaining a strong immune system is more important than ever, aloe vera offers a natural boost. Aloe vera contains polysaccharides, which stimulate the production of white blood cells, our body's frontline defenders against illness. A study from the Journal of Environmental Science and Health highlights aloe vera's ability to enhance the immune response and even fight off viral infections. Incorporating aloe vera juice into your diet can be a simple way to keep your immune system in top shape. Think of aloe vera as the body's natural shield, protecting you from unseen enemies. 4. Aids digestion and soothes the gut. Have you ever had one of those days where your stomach just feels off? Aloe vera can help. This plant is known for its ability to soothe the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of IBS, acid reflux, and other gastrointestinal issues. The natural enzymes in aloe vera help break down sugars and fats, making digestion easier. A 2015 study in the Journal of Neurogastroenterology and Motility found that aloe vera improved symptoms in patients with IBS. So, next time your stomach acts up, consider reaching for aloe vera juice for some natural relief. Do you struggle with digestive issues? Would you try aloe vera for gut health? Let us know. 5. Supports oral health. Let's talk about something we all care about, but often overlook: our oral health. Aloe vera has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that make it great for maintaining healthy gums and teeth. It can reduce plaque, soothe gum inflammation, and even help with mouth ulcers. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Periodontology found that aloe vera gel was as effective as traditional mouthwash in reducing plaque and improving gum health. Plus, aloe vera doesn't have the harsh chemicals found in some oral care products, making it a gentler alternative. Next time you brush your teeth, consider adding aloe vera to your routine and share your thoughts with us. 6. Helps with weight loss. Struggling with weight loss? Aloe vera might be able to help. Aloe vera juice can boost metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. It also has natural detoxifying properties that aid in eliminating toxins, which can often be a hidden factor in weight gain. A study from the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology showed that aloe vera can reduce body fat and improve insulin sensitivity. However, it's important to note that aloe vera should be used as a supplement to a healthy diet and regular exercise, not a magic solution. Imagery. Picture aloe vera as a little helper working behind the scenes, supporting your weight loss journey. 7. Lowers blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes, aloe vera could be a natural ally. Aloe vera has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. A systematic review published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that aloe vera supplementation significantly reduced fasting blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Including aloe vera juice in your daily routine could be a simple, natural way to manage blood sugar levels more effectively. Are you or someone you know managing diabetes? Would you consider aloe vera as part of the treatment plan? Share your thoughts below. 8. Detoxifies the body. Aloe vera is often hailed as a powerful detoxifier. It helps the body eliminate waste and toxins, especially when consumed as a juice. The high water content in aloe vera hydrates the body and supports the liver and kidneys in flushing out impurities. According to a study in Environmental Science and Health, aloe vera's detoxifying effects can also improve skin health, as clear skin often reflects a body free from toxins. Give your body a natural detox. Start by drinking aloe vera juice daily and let us know how you feel. 9. Rich in nutrients. Aloe vera is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains over 75 active compounds, including vitamins A, C, E, and B12, along with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health, supporting everything from skin to immune function. Aloe vera also contains amino acids and fatty acids, making it a great all-rounder for boosting your body's nutrient intake. According to research published in Food Chemistry, aloe vera is especially beneficial for those with nutrient deficiencies, as it's easily absorbed and used by the body. Think of aloe vera as nature's multivitamin, providing a little bit of everything your body needs. 10. Promotes skin health and anti-aging. Finally, let's talk about what aloe vera is perhaps most famous for: its ability to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, including beta-carotene and vitamins C and E, which help improve skin's natural firmness and keep it hydrated. Regular use of aloe vera can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making it a staple in anti-aging skincare routines. A study in the Annals of Dermatology found that applying aloe vera gel can significantly improve skin elasticity in just 90 days. So, if you're looking to keep your skin glowing, aloe vera might be your best friend. Want to keep your skin looking youthful? Try using aloe vera daily and share your results in the comments. And there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of aloe vera. From soothing sunburns to boosting your immune system, aloe vera truly is a versatile plant with a lot to offer. If you haven't already, consider adding aloe vera to your daily routine and experience the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts, experiences, or questions about aloe vera. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.